Hello guys, so today we are going to discuss about the performance testing between the .NET 6 and .NET 7. So we'll see that uh, how the things are taking time and arrays and listing. So let's go through the testing on that. So I have created one console application that is performance testing, and I have included this class benchmarks, right? And I am using the library benchmark.net, right? And I have written this memory diagnoser because we have to check the memory. Then I have created this array, item array and item list. So first we will discuss about the int array. So I did the global setup here, right? And in global setup I have taken the random number. So this is the seed number. Then we are taking the range from 0 to 1000. So this will provide the item array, right? And this will provide the item list here. So I have created two methods. One is for loop, and second is for item array for each. Right. So we'll compare these two methods. One is for normal for loop, and second is for each. Right. And then this bookmark benchmark is used here. Benchmark runner.run benchmark. So we are running this here. So let me run this project so that we can see the performance. So you will understand that how we can use the benchmark for performance testing. So we'll compare the two methods for loop and for each loop here, right? Yeah, so this is testing for every event, and so this is the benchmark internal IG user. Yeah. So here you can see that we have two methods. One is for array and second is for each array. And this is taking the 332 nanosecond, and this is 317 nanosecond, right? So this is what about the normal array, right? Let me do one thing. Now we'll check. Now we'll check for the listing, right? So for the listing, I have created two methods. From the same list, we are creating a list from the same function. And so now we'll compare these two lists also, and let's see the performance, right? Let's wait for some time and it will display the result for the arrays and the listing, and we can compare that what is the difference between both of them. Because of four methods, so it is taking some time, but it will give the result at the end. Okay, and yeah, boom. So you can see that for list, so it's double. For each is double than for list, right? So you can see the difference here, right? For each loop is taking double time than four in the listing, right? 491 and then 802. So this is the major difference here. If you are using the list collection, then there is major difference if you are using normal for each loop and for loop and then for each over for loop. So for arrays there is not so much difference, but for list there is big difference there. Now let's see the difference between the versions. So this is the .NET 6. Now let's check with .NET 7. What is the difference there? Let's run the project.